Hey guys, I'm here with all of Amazon's new Echo speakers from its September hardware and software event, including this one that I want to talk about, the Echo Studio. This is what Amazon calls the best sounding Echo speaker to date, and at $199 it's going to arrive in time for the holidays with pre-orders open right now. Now the Echo Studio is going to really be up against the Apple HomePod and the Google Home Max with that same sort of room-filling premium sound pitch. And to get there, what Amazon is doing is it's got a mix of mid-range speakers, 3 of them, plus a 1-inch tweeter and a 5 1/4-inch subwoofer down below that's sending audio in all different directions, bouncing it throughout the room to create this really good 3D Dolby Atmos sound, Amazon says. Can't wait to test that out. You can also pair 2 Echo Studios together to create a stereo setup or add in last year's Echo Sub to do a 2.1 or a 1.1 stereo effect with that as well. As for the design, we've got the same fabric-bodied build as years past, and this kind of attractive black and dark gray fabric, along with this gap at the bottom where you're going to hear that subwoofer sound really coming out at the bottom. Really eager to test out how that sound really feels in a home environment, and not one that's quite so noisy and busy as this one. Up top, you've got the usual mix of buttons. You've got your 2 volume buttons up and down, the activation button here on the right, and then on the left, you've got the mute button that mutes those microphones, all 7 of them up here around the top. Now the Echo Studio isn't the only Echo product that's offering new, better sound this year. There's also the new version of the Amazon Echo itself, the original, including this new blue model that's going to add a touch of color to the gray lineup from before. Also new to the lineup, you've got a new version of the Echo Dot that's got an integrated LED clock, these built-in lights that's going to make it maybe a better pick for the bedside. That's $60 and available in time for the holidays, like everything else for the most part. We've also got a new 8-inch version of the Echo Show that's going to be sort of like that Echo Show 5 from the summer, but bigger, and also with that privacy shutter that people seem to like so much. Now the Echo Studio, it arrives in time for the holidays, open for pre-orders now at $199, which is less than you'll spend to get an Apple HomePod or a Google Home Max. So pretty competitive. If the sound can compete with those 2 devices, might be a pretty hot seller this holiday season. We'll see, and we'll test them out in the CNET Smart Home as soon as we get a chance.